Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fruit cocktail juice at home. First, select a variety of fresh, ripe fruits such as oranges, pineapples, and your favorite berries. Make sure to wash them thoroughly under cool water. You'll also need a good blender, a fine mesh sieve, and a pitcher for serving. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get blending. Now, let's prepare our fruits. Peel any fruits that require it, like oranges or pineapples, and chop them into manageable 1-inch pieces. Place all your prepared fruits into the blender. To help achieve a smooth consistency, add about 1/2 cup of water or coconut water. This liquid aids the blending process and adds a touch of hydration to your juice. Blend until completely smooth. After blending, it's time to strain your juice for a smooth texture. Place a fine mesh sieve over a large bowl or pitcher and pour the blended fruit mixture through it. Gently press the pulp with a spoon to extract every last drop of delicious juice. If you prefer a sweeter taste, stir in about 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Taste and adjust to your liking. Your homemade fruit cocktail juice is now ready. Serve it immediately over ice for the best refreshing experience. If you have any leftover, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days to maintain its freshness. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, healthy drink.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.